Have you ever spent time mopping your floors, only to find them looking a little dull or even gritty afterward? It can be frustrating to put in all that effort and not get the sparkling clean result you expect. This is a very common experience, and there is a simple reason why it happens. Yes, you absolutely should sweep or vacuum before mopping any hard floor surface. This crucial first step prepares your floors correctly and makes a significant difference in the final cleanliness and appearance of your home. Skipping this step often leads to more work and less satisfactory results. The core reason for this preparation lies in removing loose dirt, dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other debris that accumulates on your floors. If you mop over these particles, you are not truly cleaning. Instead, you are just pushing around a muddy mixture of dirt and water, spreading grime across the surface, and potentially grinding abrasive particles into your floor. This can create micro scratches over time, dulling the finish and making your floors harder to clean in the future. To effectively prepare your floors, begin by using a broom and dustpan for larger pieces of debris, especially in high-traffic areas. For a more thorough job, particularly with fine dust and pet hair, a vacuum cleaner with a hard floor attachment is ideal. Make sure to cover the entire floor area, paying close attention to corners, edges, and under furniture where dust loves to hide. Think of it as a dry cleaning pass that captures all the loose elements before introducing any moisture. This initial dry clean is not just about cleanliness. It is about efficiency and floor care longevity. By taking the time to remove dry soil, your mop water stays cleaner for longer, meaning fewer trips to the sink to refresh it. Plus, preventing fine grit from scratching your floors helps maintain their original luster and extends their life. It is a fundamental practice that elevates your cleaning routine from simply moving dirt around to genuinely making your home cleaner and more hygienic. So, by always sweeping or vacuuming before you mop, you ensure that your floors are truly clean, free from abrasive debris, and maintain their beautiful appearance for much longer. It is a smart habit that saves you time and effort in the long run, giving you floors that are not just clean, but also well cared for.